Hello guys, in this video we'll see how to install Wireshark stable version on Debian Linux operating systems. Either it may be 11, 12 or 13. Okay. First open terminal, then update the packages, sudo apt update. Provide the password of sudo user, hit enter. All packages are up to date. Now install Wireshark. Sudo apt install Wireshark. Type and hit enter. Should non-super users be able to capture packets? Select yes and hit enter. See, we have installed Wireshark 4.4.7. Okay, control A. Now go to all applications, show applications, go to next page. See, here we have the Wireshark. Click on it to open. See, you got the Wireshark. You can go to help, then about Wireshark. See, we have installed Wireshark 4.4.7. Okay, you can also open by running Wireshark from the terminal. See, we got the Wireshark. Okay, if you want to capture the packets, you have to click on start capturing packets. Then we have to select the target. Okay, so this is the way. So in this video, I am closing this one. So in this video, we have seen how to install Wireshark stable release on Debian Linux operating systems. Okay, for more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.